NVTS stock analysis and NVTS price predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? This is going to be my exact play for this whole exact video. I'm the only guy in this space, in this world, that has 43,000 videos and has documented them all. It has proof of everything, so I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. It's on my YouTube channel, plus showing you what's actually documenting this, you know, like what's actually printing. With this, it's kind of melting at this point. You know, I'm very grateful of this last prediction that it was at $5 and it went to like 70.5. It was called out way beforehand, the 2nd of June, and after its delivery, I'm waiting for a very similar trade yet again. But if I do not see the confirmation, then I'm just not going to take no trades, you know, and people are going to overcomplicate this, which really shouldn't be complicated. Stick to the rules and stick to the basics. So I'm not going to immediately buy waiting for rules. I do have a lot of receipts in the Discord regarding that. If you want to stay tuned with NVTS and want to get free money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.